Don't get me wrong, I love my car. I've had it for 5 years now. One of the features I really enjoy is the built-in CarPlay. But here's the thing, I don't love that I have to keep plugging in my phone every time I get in. So what did I do? I got this wireless adapter. When you open the box, you'll see the adapter itself, which has a USB connector, but it also comes with a Type-C adapter, making it compatible with both USB and Type-C car ports. It's ready to work with any setup. Setting it up is super simple. On your first use, just plug it in and pair it with your phone via Bluetooth. It takes just a few seconds. After that, it connects automatically every time you start your car. And if someone else wants to connect their phone, it's just as easy. Just switch to their device and they're good to go. This little device makes everything so much easier. It uses a powerful chip to give you a fast and stable wireless connection, so there are no delays or interruptions. It syncs your phone with your car's screen instantly and works just as smoothly as if it were plugged in. What's great is that it's a 2-in-1 adapter. It works with both CarPlay and Android Auto, and you don't need to install any extra apps. You can use voice commands, navigation, music apps, and make calls hands-free, all wireless. And this adapter works with over 1,200 car models, including brands like Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, or Toyota. I have a 2020 Nissan Frontier. It's designed for vehicles with factory-installed CarPlay or Android Auto, so setup is seamless. It's super reliable, using 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3 for a fast and strong connection. It works with iPhone on iOS 10 or later and Android phones on Android 11 or higher. So if you're ready to upgrade your driving experience and say goodbye to the hassle of plugging in your phone every time, this is exactly what you need. It's simple to set up, reliable, and works seamlessly with your car. Grab yours today and experience the convenience of true wireless freedom in your car.